Welcome to Felicity's Fun House.
Sunny Bunny Adventure.
Wake up, sleepyheads! It's the beginning of a bright new day for 4 colorful bunny rabbits. Lots of fun and games are waiting, so hop to it! Ready, set, go! Bunnies love a refreshing dip in the pond. It's fun to float with friendly fish and admire delightful dragonflies. The frog found a lovely lily pad. Lunchtime. Bunnies have big appetites that they fill up with carrots from the garden. It looks like the bees are looking for food too. Bon appetit! Flower fields are fantastic fun. The bunnies are following the fluttering butterflies, hoping to make new friends. The bunnies are careful to play gently with their delicate pals. The forest is a wonderful place to play hide and seek. The bunnies can spend hours searching hollow trees, bushes of berries, and cavernous caves. The forest is their playground.
The best way to unwind after a long day is a sunset with friends.
The bunnies grow quiet, enjoying the cozy company and the painted sky above. "Good night, glowing fireflies," they whisper. "We'll meet again in tomorrow's adventures."